Guys, this is Deepak Kumar. Today I'll be unboxing and taking a quick hands-on look of newly launched MI Band 4. So here's the box. I've got it from Amazon, delivered me today. Okay, so just cut around the wrap and let's take a quick look. So here it is. Bill and the box. So the box says the price 2499, but I got it for 2299. So let's open it from the bottom. Okay. So here's the box opened. So we have, first thing first, we have the band itself, and this one is, so it's a user guide, and here's the cable. So this one is a little different than what we used to get earlier, so it's good. Earlier used to get this one, we had to fill this in here. Now we have to put it all over the top here. So now let me open this wrapper. So we have the band itself, so it says pair first. So thank you guys. Emergency, pair first, regulatory is good. So it's color display, looks good, finish is good. We have the bottom, we have the charging port, as well as the heartbeat sensor in the bottom. So that's all about it. We can control music. It's waterproof up to 50 meters, heart rate monitor. So thank you guys, thanks for watching, bye bye.